today you're gonna be watching Rhyce Adventureland, and I'm Rhyce,
And I'm Daeny.
and today we're gonna be doing. Just say it. Switch up bags.
Okay, so the point of the game is we have two bags. Like one of us will get a bag. Then I will say if keep or switch. That's what it is. Okay?
So let's start. Welcome to Rhyce Adventureland.
You wanna go first?
You go.
No, you go.
So we got our bags for.
I wanted the blue. So beautiful.
We got the bags. So now let's pick switch or keep.
Maybe start since she's the younger.
I wanna switch.
Yay! Look at that.
So I got pink.
And I got blue because they switch.
Yeah, because I like pink.
Okay.
Let's see what's inside.
Ooh!
A lunchbox.
Okay, so this is our lunchbox. Mine has blue and butterflies, like the
And
back.
mine got hearts. And it's pink, like my bag. And let's see what's
I
inside.
hope I get Cheetos.
I hope I get something good.
I want Cheetos.
Oh, I got Oreos.
I got my.
I got one. I got M&M's.
I'm bringing this to school.
Oreos.
This is so cool.
An actual water bottle filled with water.
I'm bringing this to school. I need to drink now.
And I'm gonna let's
Have you
eat.
drank? Have you opened this? Oh. Yes.
I have one like this, but not like this.
Yeah, this is beautiful. And then
I'll eat my M&M's.
after we do this video, we're going to eat. And yeah. Okay, so put them in the side.
All we can do is put them back.
Oh yes, true. But even though I want to eat my M&M's first. And I'll share it.
Sharing is caring.
I'll share it with the sister we have.
Come on.
Let's see what we have next. Okay guys, so we got this coloring thing.
Yeah. And also,
And our little sisters. Yes.
I don't have that much coloring.
I thought we had a coloring book, right? Yes, we have. Look at it. So this is our sketchbook or drawing pad.
Here's my coloring book.
And here's my sketchbook or drawing.
I got unicorn coloring book.
I got a drawing block book. I'm gonna use the black one to draw. What should I draw? Of course, the basic thing is flower. If you're gonna ask why we got different things, it's because I don't color that much. I usually draw, and Rick doesn't draw; he just colors.
I also draw in color.
Even all the time. And I'm done, guys. So this is my ugly drawing. It's a flower in the hill. Okay, guys. So I'm gonna help Rhyce color. I was helping Baby Rhyce and this came out really good, but we're not finished yet. So we're going to finish this after this video. Okay, babies, let's see what's inside our bag. I got a doll.
Me too.
Whoa.
It's a comb.
Is this Melanie Martinez? Huh?
Wait,
I got this. I got Melanie Martinez.
what's mine?
I don't know. I don't know a celebrity that has pink hair. I'm gonna find.
Let's open it.
Wait, but how do we open it though? Ooh! I see it. Okay, guys, we got our dolls. It's so cute.
Yeah, they're brush.
Yeah, they're brushes. Mine brush is Melanie Martinez. What are you gonna name her? Mine is Melanie Martinez.
Mine's gonna be Bunny Hop.
But we have to look at the real names though. So I'm gonna open this. Wait, what are their names? So mine is Roy. Baby Rhyce is Yawn.
Oh, because she has Z's on her, that means she's like pee-pee. And that's
what's honest? Yeah, true.
Let's open these.
Oh, so
There's the prizes too.
okay, so let's try it. I didn't know. Oh,
Oh,
you put alcohol in here or perfume for your makeup or for your hands, so that you don't need to buy a lot. You can just use this.
yeah, and also there's this thing on the top that makes that you can put it, that you can open.
Okay, really? I didn't notice that. Okay, okay. Let me go first.
Whoa!
Whoa!
I got 2 surprises.
Yeah, same. Okay.
Whoa!
Rhyce, can you help me?
Of course.
Can you help me?
Whoa!
That's so cool.
All you have to do is just pull it like this.
Ooh! Mine is so cute. So,
Mine's so cute too.
so this
It's
is
also with the EP.
so this is my doll. It's very cute. Yeah.
And here's mine. It's so cute.
Hair surprise. There's also a hair surprise. What is it? 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 Whoa!
I opened mine.
Cute.
Yeah, it's so cute. There's some rubber bands.
Yeah, guys, we're going to see our next one. We have to clean this up first. Okay, guys, we're done finishing, but not done yet. So next one. I got a frozen pen.
I got
Cinderella. Wow.
yeah, a pen and a lock.
Same. Okay, so this is our things we got.
Yeah.
It's like the exact same but different. And look at that back. Look. Look, it's Olaf, and it says,
It's a bell.
it says in my
It's
element.
bell.
It says in my element. You cannot see it. What does yours say? It says born to be. I think it says that. I don't know.
It's bomb. It says bomb to leave. At the back. I'm gonna draw in it.
Same. Okay, I'm actually gonna write notes.
I'm gonna write
I'm gonna write school is fun. Just for randomness. Okay. Okay, let's see the next one. Whoa!
Whoa.
What the? Whoa!
It's monster.
Mine is monster also. Sweet. So Baby's got pink. I got blue. Yeah, we can put our bios there. Okay, time for the next one. I think we have 1 or 2 more. Crafting scissors.
Yay.
This is the last one we have, so this is the end of the video. Let's open it. Okay, guys. So we got our things open. I think they're not dangerous. Yeah, they're not dangerous. Okay, so
Yeah. Ooh, look at this.
we made a V, and these are not dangerous. If you guys are worried, don't worry. And yeah, we have bandages. Don't worry. But I think that's our last one. Wait, guys, we didn't check the small pocket first.
Yeah.
Let's check the small pocket.
There's something.
Wait, what? Wait,
Whoa. I got pink.
I got blue.
What is it? It's a keychain.
Okay, so guys, this is what item looks like. It's very cute. I want to eat it.
What about you guys? What's in your bag?
This is the end of the video. We will see you tomorrow early. Bye.
Yeah, and we're gonna bring this to school.
Don't
Forget to subscribe
and like. And also be safe from Corona. We don't want you guys to get sick. Okay, bye. Bye.
Please like and subscribe.